So we got the big Honda here providing light for us. This is an on-the-job fix right here. In the earlier video I said, I don't know, E-Tech, whatever, the R-Tech motor. They are a little bit more powerful, I'll give them that. 6.5, I'm doing on the older model right now. I do have an R-Tech coming up. And I will show you how to repair anything you want to know on any of these Toros, R-Tech, anything. Old school Toro, actually Toro brand, Toro motor. So anyway, remove that sprocket and put a new one in, as the old one was fried. Right there, the old one was worn right out, so we put a new one in. And actually, what's kind of cool is they're interchangeable. Get all the snow you can out of there. Now, if you're going to do roofs with these machines, I suggest this: grab a little bit of caulking and just seal this fucker up. What I'm going to do, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to seal all, just the pan on these. The newer Toros come a little bit better sealed, but the older ones, it gets in here, especially in here. Yes, they're good for roofs. Don't tell me they're not. Anyway, so long story short, we put the pulley on. We're just going to put the belt back on here. It's very simple. Belts go on these nice. Pretty much just a matter of getting it on that figure. Wrap it around that nice. Make sure it's on there good. And something don't look right there. Yeah, there you go, see? Anyway, I'm gonna get some tension on that first. Belt around there like that. My phone's going dead. Probably couldn't do this all in one video, sorry guys. We'll get it around the big wheel first. We'll get the tensioner there, and then we're just gonna slide it on top. Side here. There's your belt. Put it on the tensioner. There. Your blower will blow. When you pull the handle, you'll see it'll engage. Everything's engaging nicely. And yeah, I'm gonna get that snow out of there. Now I put this bolt back down. Everything's nice. It's working good. Just put a little dab of blue Loctite on that. And just so you know, for the external parts, the motor parts and stuff for these old Toros don't. These are a different motor. These are the R-Tech motor. Yes, they're a bit more powerful. I will show videos on that as they have more. We're using the Honda for lights. I don't know how much you can hear me right now. Basically, I have this bent. It's a 10 mil bolt on there, or 11 mil bolt. I got my bolts sitting over here. Very simple. And you know what? If you're a contractor, you're blowing bolts all the time. So your bolts are hand tight, well, snug. Like right there, that's done. You know, I'll put the bottom bolt in there, but I ain't gonna put all four back in. What's the point? Not selling it, I'm using it. Yeah, that's a repair blower in less than 10 minutes. That's a Toro. And I'll be working on this other one here. I got another one in the back. It's an R-Tech. Ran good when I parked it. Didn't seem to want to run now. But we're good at getting things going around here. This is definitely a parts blower. Thank God I didn't sell it to the guy for $100 I was going to sell it to him for, because I'd be screwed right now. Anyway, if you have any requests or anything on blowers or snowmobiles you'd like to see worked on, we got lots of sleds around here. We got my Cut 660 turbo here. I got another 660 turbo there, an RXL back there. Our Pro S back in the backyard. ATVs, I got my Honda snowblower. I can show you what happens inside the guts of here. Anything you guys want to see, just request it, and we'll do it. You know, I'm not going to strip naked, but we'll make some cool videos for you and help you save some cash, because these local mechanics sure like to take it, I'll tell you. Anyway, the Honda was providing the light tonight, so I'd like to thank our sponsor Honda and our sponsor Toro. And our other sponsor, Demore Cigarettes. Don't smoke, kids. Seriously, don't. I'm not saying this as a joke. I'm saying this because it fucking sucks. Anyway, I'm just a little redneck in North Bay, but hey, we get her done. It's fixed in 5 minutes, you know. The city plowed a 5-foot bank. That Honda went right through it. You want to see a Honda in action? You send me a video. You send me a request and I'll show you a Honda in 2, 3, 4, 5 feet of snow, no problem. This thing's set up. Okay, we're out. Subscribe, guys, and you know, if you got any requests, just request in the request bin.